This is the new Zulu 3 A&R headset from Lightspeed. Let's see what's in the box. The Zulu 3 comes securely packed. The carrying case inside is protected by a thick cardboard outer lining inside the main shipping box. In the bottom of the box, you'll find simple instructions on how to register your new headset, along with a complete checklist showing the correct way to operate the headset. This is the carrying case for the Zulu 3. It has a hard shell outer casing designed to protect the headset. It fits easily inside the headset compartments of our flight bag. The inside of the carrying case is partitioned to protect all elements of the headset. The Zulu 3 has some new features, like improved tapered ear seals with larger cup cavities and newly designed cables built around a Kevlar core. The control unit has separate left and right volume controls, plus Bluetooth for phones and music. The new cable design is extremely flexible and comes with a cord clip to give quick access to the control unit. We hope you have enjoyed this video. There are links in the comments area below with more information about the Zulu 3 and this video.